Alright, so this is that oak glue up I've been working on, and I gotta apologize because my video was cut short because I asked Google what a certain song was playing and it turned my camera off for some reason, who knows. Anyhow, so this is just a little teaser clip laying out these boards. I got my edges all nice and square, so it went together pretty easily. I ended up using a ton of clamps on this, and then you'll see my glue up method here is just a Tupperware container with a little 2-inch roller. I roll that glue on nice and thick. There's my video dying. So you can see I used quite a few clamps on this just to keep everything in place, and then I used this 2x2 square tubing 1/4 inch wall and a couple clamps to bring everything up flush on the end. And that's about it. Again, sorry for the short video, but you know how it goes.